So Coinbase stock is up 110% for 2023. Is this still a buy? Will the market in Coinbase continue to go higher to close out 2023? We got a couple months left before 2023 is in the books. Where will Coinbase be at? If you've seen my last video in Coinbase, I was telling you all then that I was looking for the market in Coinbase to go down. Now, if you're on the opposite of that analysis, i.e. you're a buyer, you may be saying, well, look at the price action in Coinbase since you did your video. Look at it. It's been maintaining price. It hasn't necessarily gone lower, right? Of course, you're right. I give you that. But I want you all to see what Coinbase did not do. That lets me know that what we're seeing in our original analysis in Coinbase, that we may actually be correct. What did not Coinbase do? What could not the buyers successfully do to confirm that they're controlling the price? Do you see it? If you don't see it, I'll let you know. I'll show it to you. Matter of fact, let me show it to you right now. This is what the buyers did not successfully do. Right here, October the 24th, 2023, told you everything you needed to know. Now, we got that horizontal line drawn on our chart, right? And we was telling you that that area is seen as resistance, i.e. this is where majority of the sellers are. Every time price in Coinbase comes to that line, what happens to the price? It gets rejected. It comes back down because there's too many sellers than there are people willing to buy. Market has to go lower. And we didn't see this just once. We saw it twice. We didn't see it twice. We saw it 3 times. Matter of fact, it goes all the way back here to September the 12th, 2022. It would have been massively bullish if the buyers in Coinbase could successfully break that area of selling. But they didn't do it. So even though we recognize that price in Coinbase has hovered below this area of resistance, they did not break price above 84.50. They didn't do it. So currently it tells me that we're still accurate in our prediction in Coinbase, that the market is still weak. Earnings, November the 2nd, 2023. Could this be the catalyst that actually finally breaks and moves the market down in Coinbase? Let's see. Let me extend these lines over. Okay, that's the first thing we're going to do. And we're going to look at this on a different chart, different time frame. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Okay, we want to see if the market is bullish or bearish. Okay, I give the market credit. I can see where the buyers are. Can you see them? This is where the buyers currently enter the market in Coinbase. They don't let the market fall below 72. So again, if I don't see the market in Coinbase fall below that price, then the buyers live on to see another day to try to break the market back up above 85 bucks. I can see that. Like, I don't have to be nervous. I don't have to question, okay, what's going on in the market in Coinbase? As long as those buyers hold $72, I know that there's still a potential for the buyers to break above 84.50, which will invalidate my price prediction. Now, you can see here on the 2-day chart right here, look at all of the volume that came in Coinbase on that 2-day price bar. And then the market closed off the highs, representing selling. And it fell through the next 2 days. Here's Coinbase on the 3-day chart. Look at that 3-day price bar here. These 2 3-day price bars is telling me that the market definitely is still weak. Now the market has been maintaining that, like someone is in the market saying that it's relatively cheap down here around $71. And they're willing to buy it there. They still have a big job ahead of them. Hopefully they got a lot of money, because those sellers are still hitting the market in Coinbase. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at Coinbase on the weekly chart. This even gives me more confirmation that our idea is still relevant. Look at that weekly price bar there. That's scary if you're a buyer. You do not want to see a weekly price bar look like that. That throughout the week, the market ran up to a high of $89.40 and then it closed at $70.78. And it closed at a location that you're supposed to see buyers. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Again, that doesn't look bullish neither, now does it? Now we still have 3 days and 9 hours before it prints, but what we see right now, it doesn't look good. Here it is on the 3. Look at that. It's been a great fight. Like I'm giving the market massive amount of credit for those buyers trying to hold price in Coinbase right there. But it looked like that strength is waning. It looked like they're losing out, the buyers. Here it is on the 5. Let's take a look at Coinbase on the monthly chart. Here it is. We got 8 hours and 43 minutes. Today's the last day of the month. If we see the market in Coinbase close on the low, I think we're going to see the price hit some of our targets off our video. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. I'm not going to come through and change our price prediction. I'm going to continue to anticipate the market in Coinbase to go lower. I do acknowledge that the only reason why our price prediction won't come to fruition is these buyers here. I can already see that. So if they hold it here, I already know that I'm telling you our price prediction will not work out. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.